plan. Step one is we need to do the base mount first. Now you'll get a set of instructions in the box, and each one will have, at the top of the instruction, will have a bag number. When I send these out, I will number the bag for each assembly that needs to be put together. This is number one, and we always do the base mount first because everything gets adjusted off of this base mount. So I didn't seal the bag. I'm going to go ahead and just dump the hardware out here. And so the first thing that we got to notice is that we're going to use these dovetail bars that have the pocket milled into them. You can see the pocket milled in. Now you'll notice that the base mount is countersunk on one side. So this will go on the bottom like that, and there's threaded holes that are threaded into here, and we will assemble those just like this. Now I'm assembling all of this stuff dry. If you're going to run this unit in salt water, you will need to use some sort of marine grade inhibitor so that you don't get corrosion on these parts. I don't want that all over my hands in this video, so we're just going to put this together dry so that you know how it goes together. The instructions will clearly state that the inhibitor needs to be used if you plan on running in the salt water. The aluminum to stainless steel fasteners will corrode, and then they'll basically seize up. You'll never get them back apart if you don't use the inhibitor. So I'm going to use this gun just to speed it up. Now, when it's assembled, this one goes together pretty quick. You can see this set of bolts goes through both this top piece, and it also goes through the bottom bracket, and then you have these other two mounting holes. So this is a completed unit right now, and I'm going to set that aside and start on number 2, which is going to be the anchor locker removable mount. Stop it.